You want to start off by adding some ice to your shaker and add about 1.5 to 2 ounces of the vodka of your choice. Next, add 4 ounces of cranberry juice. Add 2 ounces of lemonade. And 1 ounce of pineapple juice. Now mix everything in the shaker. I wanted the glass to have this dripping blood effect. So I used some red gel that I found in the baking aisle to make the blood. Next, add a few ice cubes to the glass and pour in the cocktail. And top it off with a splash of ginger ale. To add to the effect, I used these stretchy body parts that I found at Spirit Halloween and placed them inside of the cocktail. If you decide to do the same, please wash them beforehand in some hot water and soap. And there you have it, a Halloween bloodbath cocktail. Perfect for your Halloween festivities.